As we navigate the political landscape of 2023, President Donald Trump is once again in the spotlight. This time, it's not for a policy decision or a controversial statement, but for something much more routine, his annual physical examination. On Truth Social, Trump's own platform, the president announced that he's heading to Walter Reed Army Medical Center for this checkup, declaring himself to be in excellent health. At 78, Trump's vigor and energy are often topics of discussion, both within his political base and among his critics. Despite the routine nature of physical examinations, Trump's health remains a topic of national interest. This is not just because of his age, but also due to the dramatic events that unfolded less than a year ago. While on the campaign trail in Pennsylvania, Trump survived a near-death experience, an assassination attempt that could have changed the course of history. The bullet, which narrowly missed his head, was a stark reminder of the unpredictable nature of political life. Yet Trump emerged unfazed, with his physician at the time, Ronnie Jackson, calling his survival an absolute miracle. The resilience Trump has shown since the incident is undeniable. Florida neurosurgeon Dr. Brett Osborne praised Trump's stamina, citing his ability to attend 120 events over 7 months, often packing multiple rallies into a single day. Such feats are remarkable for any individual, let alone a septuagenarian. This physical endurance is often highlighted by Trump's supporters as evidence of his capability to lead. However, the constant scrutiny of his health by his detractors paints a more complex picture. The debate over Trump's health is not just about his ability to perform duties, but also about transparency. Democrats, alongside some in the medical community, have consistently called for Trump to release his medical records. Over 230 healthcare professionals signed an open letter pushing for this disclosure, arguing that the public has a right to know about the health of their leader. This echoes similar demands made during his first term, especially after his COVID-19 treatment at the same Walter Reed facility. As Trump embarks on his second term, the political climate remains as charged as ever. His presidency continues to evoke strong opinions across the spectrum. And while many remain hopeful for a unified future, others are critical of his policies and approach. Yet within this politically charged environment, there lies an opportunity for constructive dialogue and positive change. One aspect that offers promise is the focus on healthcare reform. With Trump's own health under the microscope, there's a unique opportunity to engage in meaningful conversation about national healthcare policies. Advocates for reform argue that the transparency demanded of Trump should extend to a broader discussion on how healthcare can be made more accessible and equitable for all Americans. This could be a turning point for significant policy shifts that prioritize public health and well-being. While the president's health may serve as a distraction for some, it could also be a catalyst for deeper awareness and action regarding the health system in the United States. Imagine a future where the lessons learned from scrutinizing presidential health lead to comprehensive reforms that benefit millions. This optimistic vision is not only possible, but necessary in addressing the growing healthcare needs of the nation. In the meantime, as Trump undergoes his examination, it's a reminder of the human side of leadership. Health concerns are universal, transcending political lines, and offer a moment of commonality amidst division. This shared experience can foster empathy and understanding, laying the groundwork for cooperation on broader issues that affect all citizens. As we wrap up this segment, we'd love to hear your thoughts. How do you feel about the current scrutiny of President Trump's health? Do you think it's justified or an invasion of privacy? And what are your views on healthcare reform in the United States? Share your opinions in the comments below. Let's keep this conversation going. Before we go, if you found this analysis insightful, consider subscribing to our channel for more updates and perspectives on current events. Your engagement helps us bring you quality content. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends to spark more discussions. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.